Aloha, Doc Martinez here, and today we'll be doing a POG Juice Old Fashioned cocktail. Now, I was introduced to POG Juice while I was visiting Disney Polynesian Village Resort, and I immediately fell in love with it. So I was lucky enough to find some POG Juice when I was recently traveling through San Antonio. So, are you wondering, what is POG Juice? Now, POG Juice is a tropical juice drink created in 1971 by a food product consultant named Mary Soon, who worked in Maui, Hawaii. POG is a drink made up of passion fruit, orange, and guava juices, hence POG. The juices are mixed together to create a delicious and fruity drink. Well, POG juice is sometimes very hard to find and can be a little bit pricey online, but since I am lucky enough to have some today, I have decided not to waste the juice and to try to make an old-fashioned cocktail out of it. I have also decided to invite my daughter and one of her childhood friends on this journey down the old-fashioned rabbit hole, especially because they are not really into drinking and would prefer a fruity drink to try.
Cocktail quiz time.
What's the difference between light and dark rum? Tastes the same to me.
We need to first make some passion fruit simple syrup. Passion fruit simple syrup ingredients: half a cup granulated sugar, half a cup of water, half a cup of passion fruit juice. In a small saucepan, combine the sugar and water over medium-high heat and bring the mixture to a simmer while stirring until the sugar is dissolved. Next, you'll bring it to a boil and let it boil for a few minutes until slightly reduced. You'll add in the passion fruit juice and bring to a boil again. Make sure to let it cool. Place into a resealable jar or a bottle with an airtight stopper lid and chill completely. Chill for at least 4 hours or until ready to use. This will keep in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks in an airtight jar or bottle. POG Juice Old Fashioned Cocktail. All right, so now we're gonna start making the POG Juice Old Fashioned, but today I do have some helpers, so they're gonna come in right now.
Hi, my name is Deanna.
Hi, I'm Myla.
So, how do you guys know each other?
Oh,
Back
that
to
was
diapers.
before we were
yeah.
born. That was before we were
Our whole
born.
entire
You can't know each other before you're born.
I mean, we talked in the womb.
Okay.
There we go.
So are you
We
twins?
mingled.
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay, maybe
Can't you
twins.
tell?
Yeah, it's.
I just got the stunted growth.
All right. So, how long have you guys known each other then?
How old are we?
24 years.
24 years.
24 years.
So, Miss Myla, this is the first time here.
Yeah.
First time on my channel, I guess. So, what is your favorite drink to drink?
I don't drink.
Yeah, I know you're not really much of a drinker, but but when you go to a bar and you have a drink, what is it that you normally order?
Well, back in college, $2 Tuesdays, I went for the vodka crayons.
All right, so vodka and cranberry. If I would have known that, we could have done a vodka cranberry old fashioned, but not today.
Next time.
And Deanna, what's
Cucumber martini.
all fancy there? You know, do you drink with your little finger up and everything?
I try to grow as low as I can, and that pinky pops up.
So okay. Well, today we're not doing either one of those.
Mine's different. That
Yeah.
just bottoms up.
Bottoms up, yeah. Well, that's not what we're gonna do with today's drink, you know. But today is a fruity drink because that's what you guys requested. You wanted something that wasn't gonna be too harsh and something that was fruity. So, and we happen to have POG juice. So, you know, sometimes hard to get. We love it. We have it at Disney all the time. The POG juice, not an old-fashioned POG juice, but POG juice. So today, that's what they're gonna help me make. So with these glasses, what we want to do is we want to first rim them and then chill them a little bit as we're getting the drinks ready. So what I'm going to do is put a little bit of the passion fruit syrup in here. Just a little bit because we want to rim that glass. So go ahead and just kind of rim your glasses with the POG juice. Just put it in there and turn it and get that glass rim.
That's how you do it.
And as you can see, you're good. All right, so now that you've rimmed your glasses, you want to put a little bit of the sugar on it. And what we are using today is tropical hibiscus sugar. So go ahead and do that. Yeah. That's good, that's good. So who did a better job?
Oh, that was nice.
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
that one's
Look at that one.
That one's
looks
super
good.
nice. All right.
Don't tell my parents.
We won't tell them. All right, what we're gonna do is just put a little bit of ice in there for right now, just to kind of chill the glasses. And I do get messy, so I apologize. All right, so let's set those glasses aside for a moment. So now, I only have one shaker. So we're gonna have to actually make the drink in the shaker, 2 drinks at one time. So you guys are gonna get to share the opportunity, right? So put a little bit of ice in that shaker. A little bit more. That was like 3 ice
Oh,
cubes
look, are you
at
gonna
that
tell me
time.
when to stop?
That's good, that's good. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the 1 ounce of passion fruit. Here's the passion fruit. Go ahead and if you look in there, it's a 1.5 ounce. So if you look in there, you can see the 1 ounce is right there, that line there.
Which one?
We'll see if they figure this out. They're both college students.
Maybe in
Yeah, just that
between
one.
the two.
Okay,
Yeah.
I was like, oh. It tricks you because it says 3/4.
All right. Good job, good job. Now we want to add the 2 ounces of light rum. So this one's actually going to have both a light rum and a dark rum. Okay. So this is what we're using for our light rum today. This one is a 2 ounce one, so it'll be easier to actually do it off of that. So go ahead and pour in 2 ounces in there. But oh, know what we did wrong? We're making 2 drinks, right?
The bottle.
So
you
what
have
do we
to
need?
double.
So we need to do double. So what do we need to go back to?
That
one.
one's you, Nana.
Okay.
Let's see if we can figure it out.
I'm just gonna do to the same line you did.
Yeah. And it's okay. I mean, it's not a precise measurement. You just, this just adds flavor to it. This is the simple syrup, so it's a little bit of it's a sweetener. So if you like your drink more sweet, you can add more to it. All right, so here's the 2 ounces of light rum we're going to use. So go ahead and do that.
Is this already 2 ounce thing?
Yeah, that's the 2 ounce. All the way to the top is 2 ounces.
Cool, it looks familiar. Just kidding, Dad.
All the way, all the way. Oh, keep filling that. Oh, there you go. Oh. Now pour that in there.
Oh,
all right.
Beautiful.
One more. Remember, we're making 2 drinks.
Right. It's a heavy pour. And 1 shot of vodka.
Nice. All right, so next we're gonna add some orange bitters. So we want to do like 4 dashes, 2 to 4 dashes for each one. So we're gonna do anywhere from 4 to 8 dashes of this, okay?
That's all you, because I got a heavy hand.
8 sounds
Well, the good thing is,
number.
yeah, so, no, but a dash there. 1, keep going, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and a drop. That works. Hey.
I stopped counting.
Yeah. So bitters is to taste also. So anybody, and with this bitter, it's not very bitter, so it doesn't add like a lot of bitter taste to it anyways, okay? So next what we want to do is add the POG juice, so the main ingredient for this one that's non-alcoholic. So let's get that out. So we want to add 4 ounces of this. So once again, we're doing 2, right? So we need to add a total of 8 ounces.
Is it gonna fit?
Well, we'll be close, right?
That's 1.
Oh, so close, so close. Let's see. All right.
Oh, we barely made it.
We barely made it. That's probably why you make most of these drinks one at a time, right? When they're big drinks like this. So, and next, what we need to do is shake. Oh, it's actually not going to work. So, yeah. So I made a mistake. So that's okay. We'll shake it twice. That was my mistake. So we should have made it all in the small one. All right, somebody shake it. Hold it together and shake it. Don't worry, both of you will get to do this, right?
Yeah, they get a little thing going at the bar.
I need to put some
I think
music
that's
on.
good,
For
right?
that. All right.
That's what we need.
It's not the proper way to do these things, but okay, we'll just. right, Milo, your turn to shake. Hold it together and make sure you shake it.
Hold it together.
Shake it like
Shake
a
it.
Polaroid picture. Just shake it.
All right, I would fail if I was a bartender.
Don't worry, I would have
fail.
failed because we should have made both drinks in one because such a big drink, but that's okay. This is for fun, right? All right, let's just pour the rest of it back in here since it's all hopefully been shaken at least somewhat. Now next we want to strain it into your glass, but let me put more. Let's get the water ice out of here, and then we'll put new ice in here. Okay. All right, let's fill these bad boys up again. Like, here you go. I'm gonna get copyright infringements for all the songs you guys are singing that I don't have privileges to, but that's okay.
All the way?
2/3 of the way at least.
Okay.
And then at the end we'll fill it up all the rest.
Oh, that's a chunk. Okay. Pardon the mess.
Oh, that's okay. I make a mess. All right, there's so much mess you can make before it starts getting.
This is why I'm never in the kitchen. There we go. Can I put that on my LinkedIn?
Absolutely. I would.
Apparently, I'm gonna have to make myself one after this. I can actually try this one, but that's okay. All right, last but not least, that we need to make a little garnish for this. Okay. I'm not giving you guys the knife because I don't trust you after seeing your skills right now.
That's a good call.
Yeah. So.
This knife will cut.
This knife will cut. So here you go. Here's a little garnish for it.
It looks very pretty.
It does. So now you guys have made. Is this your first cocktail you've ever made, or have you ever made it in college?
What's considered a cocktail?
Okay. Let's go with, so when your parents are watching, this is the first cocktail you've ever made or drank,
yes,
correct?
This is the first cocktail Mom and Dad.
Correct. So we'll go with that.
And
So
I'm an alcoholic.
here you go. So let's try your first cocktail.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. No, that is very good.
Ooh. Do I have to sip it slowly?
No. So
Okay.
so tell me, what does it taste like?
Passion fruit, guava, orange. Like I should be sitting
so it
on a
tastes-
beach.
I should be on a beach drinking
Oh
this.
yeah.
So is this a good old fashioned for you?
Yes.
Is it one that you could drink again?
I'm a fan of whiskey now.
Well, no whiskey in this one,
Cut that out then.
but that's okay. Hold on.
Fan of whatever's in it.
We did forget one thing though that we're
Oh, it's
supposed to do.
rum.
So now that we've actually tasted it, we did forget one thing. There's actually, remember we said we're using 2 rums in this, a light rum and a dark rum.
We only did
So
the light.
we only did the light correct. So we forgot the dark. So let's add that now.
Oh, I thought we were making a
my
whole
God.
separate one with the dark.
I mean, we can always do that too. There's no reason why you couldn't.
So you just
But actually, what this rum is for is just to add a little drizzle on the top to make it float.
a little bit.
Yeah, just
Okay.
a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Okay.
Just a little bit to make it float. All right, so round
Float
2.
in the beach.
So is this best to stir or it's
No.
supposed
It's
you
supposed to
drink
be on the
sip?
top. Yeah, and now you're supposed to taste that, and it's supposed to give you that difference. There is a difference in taste with a light rum to a dark rum, so let's see if you notice it.
It tastes like alcohol.
It's hit me all at once.
You getting all that rum?
Man,
Now
just
that
took
you're
a
getting
shot
the
of rum.
mixture of it.
All right, now shake it a little bit since you tried it there. I mean, give you that.
I do recommend this drink if you're not very big into alcohol tasting flavors. This would be my go-to.
Big fan.
Absolutely.
So
Big fan.
was there much of a difference with the dark one on it? Besides that first taste that you just tasted the rum, right? Now you mix it a little bit. How does it taste?
I think it's better. It's more like I feel like I really should be on the beach right now.
Yeah. Well, that's good.
Cancun, here we come.
Let's go.
So just make the trip happen. You know, as stay-at-home daughters, you can afford that.
Yeah, Mom and Dad are paying for it.
Exactly. I remember card numbers, so perfect. We're set for our trip.
Please don't say that out loud. My card number.
Cocktail quiz time.
What is the difference between light and dark rum?
Answer. The dark rum starts off as the same clear spirit that makes light rum.
However, instead of being filtered and bottled right after being distilled, dark rums are aged in charred oak barrels first.
All right, so here I have Maria's father. What's your name?
Mario.
I know his name, but I wanted him to say it, okay? And so we had to hire the camera a little bit for him because he wasn't quite in frame, but that's okay. I got Deanna's drink. He's got Maria's drink. We're going to try them together. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, wow, that is a good drink.
Yeah.
Actually, you taste the POG, but you also taste the rum in there. What do you think about it?
It's good. Really good.
Yeah, I can drink this.
Like the girl said at the beach site.
Yeah, we need to get to the beach, so sometime soon we'll head out to the beach then. Cheers.
Cheers.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.
And please click on the next video below.
Cheers.
My name is...
My name is Slim Shady. All right. Oh, what are you doing?
You're on your tippy toes.
Oh, just a reach. Yeah. All right, so definitely not wiping her up.
Nope. Fine. Independent.
Yeah, what was the conversation we had earlier today? What do you want to do? Move back home?
Yeah, live off my parents, not have to worry about an adulthood.
Yeah. And what is it?
dog.
What's your
It's called stay-at-home daughter. It's a very hard job to have, but I highly recommend anyone that is a son or daughter to do it. I like it. You don't miss any vacations. Why not?
Everything's paid for.
Exactly.
So there you go. Stay-at-home daughters.
I'm so ready. I'm ready when you are.
And click on the next video. You're like, that was great.
I thought we were done.